this is how the road looks, and these are the DRLs. Okay, the switches are not backlit, but then yes, you have the markers okay, to help you. And still the DRLs. Okay, and now that's the low beam. DRLs, low beam. Look at the throw and the spread. The spread is fantastic. I mean, the throw is good. Okay, the spread is excellent. High beam. Let's ride. Look at that. And for a change, the adjustment is absolutely perfect. Okay, like 8 out of 10 times, or even 9 out of 10 times, okay, in all the motorcycles, okay, be it the domestic ones, be it the ultra expensive CBUs, generally the headlights are not properly adjusted, and 8 out of 10 times I adjust them and then, you know, incorporate the second part in the same video. So I show you the before and after. Okay, I try to do that. Doggish. Very impressive in pitch black darkness. Now once we go there, then we'll know. Let me show you the, you know, bike. I'm doing this at almost 1 o'clock at night. So this is how it looks. Oh, by the way, you know, many people ask me, how do we switch on the high beam permanently? Okay, so you do this, that's it. Okay, so pass function is, you know, your usual. Okay, you press it like this. But if you want to switch on the high beam, you know, like permanently on, here. Okay, see, ideally, you know, these you know, switches should have been backlit. Okay, ideally every switch should have been backlit. But then yeah, you know, this is the saving grace. Okay, the low beam is impressive even under street lighting. Impressive, impressive, impressive. Yes, sir. Let me show you the difference. See the difference? Switch off only the DRLs. Again switch off only the DRLs. DRLs headlight, DRLs headlight, DRLs headlight. DRLs headlight, DRLs headlight. I'll let this gentleman pass, but he's crawling right now. Anyway, you'll get an idea. See, DRLs headlight, DRLs headlight, DRLs headlight, DRLs headlight. Now we have a string of street light poles, so yes, DRLs headlight, DRLs headlight, and that's low beam, by the way. Okay, DRLs headlight, DRLs headlight. So yes, good headlights. Man, look at that spread. Amazing. My trucker brother, excuse me for this. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and do hit that like button, do subscribe if you haven't already, do leave a comment, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.